take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones?
Hi guys, welcome to a lovely Christmas look. I'm kind of doing inverted eyes. That sounds very odd just right off the bat, but the eye colors are going to be a little different from each other. So taking green, I make my usual winged shape on prepped eyes, of course. My eyes didn't look prepped today because I used less concealer, but they promised me that you will prep your eyes. And once I had that proper shape that I absolutely love, we are going to cut that crease. Yep, you guessed it. I cut that crease with my favorite white concealer. So I just struggled a little bit with this, so don't mind me. But once I got the shape to what I wanted it to be, I then just kind of filled it in, and then we were all set to put on a lovely shimmer right after this. There we go. Now I put on some gold because, gotta have a little gold. And of course just kind of blended out that edge so that way it wasn't too rough of an edge. And then I put some red on that lower lash line to be opposites of my other eye. And then I did some eyeliner. Most of it was off camera because I was struggling. And now we're going to add some fun gems because you gotta make it shiny to be festive. And here's the finalized look. I decided to not add lashes because my eyes have been a little sensitive recently, but you are more than welcome to add lashes and add more gems if you feel like it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!